We have a massive mulberry removal due to some compromised codominant stems brought right over power lines and some data lines. Thank goodness we have a secret weapon today. We have a spider lift, 70-foot reach. To further elaborate on the codominant stem situation, we begin to see a tear out and separation forming, a whole lot of decay, and probably 2 inches of movement since the time the job was bid. So we're gonna piece this out, and slow and steady will win the race. Here we are at the final stretch of this mulberry removal. All that's left is to buck firewood, save a couple pieces for milling, and a little bit of cleanup. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I gotta get to it.